Hi everyone. Today topic is the magnetic field of a current carrying loop. Let's start. The magnetic field of a current carrying loop. For example, we have a connecting wire like this, and it is looking like a circular. And this here is center of the circle. This one is radius, and current is starting this here. Current will pass around the circle and then again it will left from circle. And for find the magnetic field of a current carrying loop, we have to use also right hand rule. But this is oppositely for magnetic field of straight wire. For this, your thumb finger show the direction of the magnetic field, your tips fingers show the direction of the current. When I explained for find the magnetic field of straight wire, for direction, our thumb finger shows the direction of the current, other tips finger shows the direction of the magnetic field. For this oppositely, if we turn around the circle n times with the coils, it is different. Okay, how can we find magnetic field? We know magnetic field symbol is B. Our formula nu 0 multiplying current over 2R. And if our coil is turning around the circle n times, we have to multiply with the n also. N means turn numbers of wire. Okay, let's continue with the exercise. Example, the magnetic field at the center of a circular loop of 50 turns of wire carrying a current of 2 ampere is 6 multiplying 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. What is the radius of the loop? Okay, when we check these examples, which inform we know, circular loop of 50 turns, n number it is 50. Current is equal 2 ampere. Magnetic field is equal 6 times 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla, and P is equal 3, and nu 0 it is constant 4P times 10 to the power minus 7, And if I continue, when I put P is 3 in this here, 4 times 3, 10 to the minus 7, and nu 0 is equal 12 times 10 to the power minus 7. And it is asking R, radius is how much? Okay, that's all. Magnetic field formula. Magnetic field B is equal N multiplying nu 0 multiplying current over 2R. And B is equal, nu is how much? It is 50. Nu 0 is how much? 12 times 10 to the power minus 7 multiplying, and current is how much? 2 ampere over, and 2R we don't know. Okay, B also we know. How much? It is 6 times 10 to the minus 4, and continue 50 times 12 times 10 to the power minus 7 multiplying 2 over 2R. In this here 2 and 2 simplified. When I take R, my result 0.1047 meters. Next example. I have a circular loop like this, and my coil is turning around the circle, and radius is R, current is coming like this, and R is equal 1 meter, N is equal 20 turns, current is equal 10 ampere, and nu 0 is equal 4P times 10 to the minus 7, and P is equal 3, and it is asking magnetic field is how much Tesla. Okay, when I check these questions, how can we find direction of the magnetic field? My tips finger showed the direction of the current. My thumb finger showed into the page. My direction is like this. Okay, B is equal N times nu 0 and current over 2R. And B we don't know, N is, it is 20, nu 0 4 times 3 times 10 to the minus 3. In this here it is P. And current is how much? It is 10 ampere over 2 multiplying R is 1. And after calculate 20 and 2 simplified just 10 state. After calculate my result 12 times 10 to the minus 5 Tesla, and my direction into the page. For today, that's all. See you next lesson.